Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Friday, August 23rd, 2013. For the volatility index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio, the VIX, we have a neutral reading on September with 32% of the total premiums paid. October, November, and December bearish readings with 29 and 30% of the total premiums paid for the big ones. And overall, we have a bearish dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX. Here we have the daily chart for SPX up 0.4% for the day. Very nice bounce today after yesterday's bounce. So we have a continuation here. Very nice bounce here of the 100-day moving average. And we are back again above the 50-day moving average with a weekly closing price. That's important here to see. Looks like we're going to continue to go higher. It has been a pretty choppy week here. We were bullish here on the downside, turned neutral to bearish, and then it turned. So I'm just gonna have to pass here on SPX. For the Qs, very nice move on the Qs, up 0.67% for the day. Up here, back again near the trading high for the year. I'm bullish for the Qs. IWM. Here you could see it at 103, 0.25% up for the day. This one was the leader. You notice here that we bounced off that 50-day, closing only one day below it, and then we never looked back. So interesting here. We'll have to see. I'm not getting bullish on IWM or SPX until we make a new high. So that's a long way from here. The Qs, I am bullish, but I am not chasing it here so far. For gold, we have a huge update here for gold today. You could see here trading right now at 135.12, 134.90 on the close. I'm not getting bearish here yet. We're having very nice moves up. I'm not gonna take the contrarian here. The trend so far is to the upside. I'm not taking it against right now. I'm looking for September to be short around FOMC time, but not yet. I would leave that for higher prices, or maybe just turn bullish here for GLD. So I'm not going to do anything here, very neutral. Apple. Here we have the Apple chart, down 0.4% for the day, hanging tough around that 500 area, 501. You can see it here, no volume yesterday and today. So I'm pretty confident of the upside. I'm looking for 520 for next target. I believe next week's going to be explosive to the upside. That's just my thought here, and that's what I'm looking so far. But there's no volume here today. To the downside, nothing going on. I'm looking for higher prices. I am bullish on Apple. Facebook. Yesterday we talked about Facebook being bullish and being long on Facebook. Well, here we got this huge pop at 5.2% for the day with huge volume there. You could see it. So I like that. We got flat today after this big move to the upside. What else we have here? We have Google. Google chart here looking a little bit of nothing. Up, down, up, down. Look like we're going to the 890 level, 50-day. But again, today we have a down day with no volume, so not much going on. As for the banks, Goldman Sachs today trading 0.5% down for the day, still trading below the 50-day. JPM 0.21% up for the day, still trading below the 100-day. Citigroup 0.16% for the day, trading below the 50, and that's pretty much what the banks are doing, so not much going on there. Expedia. I liked it short last week here, but today they got an announcement with Travelocity, and look at the big pop, so no go there. It could be an interesting play trading it against these previous highs, but I'm just gonna pass because I don't want to get 5% overnight there and without knowing what to do next. So that's what I'm looking for. Expedia. Abercrombie and Fitch. Yesterday huge pop, huge drop here. And today we get kind of a dead cat bounce here. We're bouncing 0.4% up, not much going on there. And last chart we're going to look at is eBay. Here you can see it, eBay 0.12 for 1.12% higher for the day. Pretty bearish chart after we broke this 200-day and 50. Came here back down. I believe we're going lower here at least to 50, but we already touched 50 this week, so we may be seeing a double bottom here forming. We'll have to see what happens. I doubt we'll form a double bottom here on eBay, but if it breaks, this one could go a lot lower. We're still in the range, so nothing to fear so far. I wouldn't trade it to the upside just yet here.